Let's solve this question together. It says 2 raised power n minus 1 plus 2 raised power n plus 1 is equal to 320. And we're going to solve for n. Okay? Now the first thing we can do here is to remember from the laws of indices that a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised power m multiplied by a raised power n. In the same vein, a raised to power m minus n is equal to a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Now, applying these laws here, we have 2 raised to power n minus 1 will be equal to 2 raised to power n divided by 2 raised to power 1, which is 2, okay? Plus 2 raised to power n plus 1 is 2 raised to power n multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. And this is equal to 320, alright? Now, from here, we can say, let 2 raised to power n equals x, okay? From here, we now have x over 2 plus 2 times x, which is 2x, is equal to 320, alright? Okay, so moving on from here, we are going to have alright, so from here we have x over 2 plus 2x is equal to 320. Multiplying each time by 2, we have 2 times this is x plus 2 times 2x is 4x is equal to 2 times 320 is 640. Okay? From here we now have 4x plus x is 5x to be equal to 640. X here becomes equal to 640 divided by 5. Okay? And this is equal to 128. Okay? Now, having that x is equal to 128, we say, recall that 2 raised to power n is equal to x. Okay? Now, our x is 128, so we have 2 raised to power n will now be equal to 128. Now, 128 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 7, alright? So we have that 2 raised to power n here is equal to 2 raised to power 7. Now, when the bases are the same, you equate the power. So it means that from here, our n is equal to 7, okay? So n is equal to 7 in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.